10 amazing facts about Yogita Bihani. First, Yogita Bihani is an Indian entertainer and model. Second, Yogita Bihani was born on 18th December 1994 in New Delhi, India. Third, she completed her education at the New Delhi's Samarmal Chain Public School. She then went on to earn her bachelor's degree in computer science from the University of Delhi. Fourth, in 2018, she made her acting debut on the television series Dil Hi To Hai. Fifth, in 2017, she made her television debut with the show Fame Foodies. Sixth, she has also worked on movies like Date Aajkal, Vikram Vedha, and AK vs. AK. Seventh, she won the Femina Miss India Rajasthan 2018 competition. Eighth, her other TV shows include Das Ka Dam and Kavach Mahashivratri. Ninth, she has also been a model for a lot of commercials, including ones for Spotify India, Amazon, Xiaomi, Tata Safari, Nikon, and Kalyan Jewellers. 10th, Yogita Bihani made an appearance as a model in the year 2023 in the music video for the song Alone. Subscribe the channel.